Hello and
Hi.
welcome to another episode of
Fitou Thai Kitchen.
Well Done. So today we want to show you these ready meals from Charlie Bighams, and these have been recommended to us and people have said that these are pretty good quality. It's a ready meal, but it's not a microwave ready meal. It's to be cooked in the oven. And so we thought we'd do a little battle. Charlie Bigham versus Pitou's Thai red chicken curry. So it's red chicken curry against red chicken curry. What do you think about that, Fitou?
Oh yes, just let's see and try. Then we know
Oh,
which one better.
earlier you sounded more confident than this.
This one, yeah, I have more confidence
Oh,
about my red curry.
Well, it seems like you're backpedaling now.
Yes.
You're feeling not quite so sure?
Yeah, I'm sure.
You're sure?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, I have confidence.
Okay, so we'll be marking these the same way as the last one.
Oh yes. Yeah.
So taste, color,
Ingredient,
smell, and
color.
I say color, didn't I?
I don't know.
Alright, let's start again. Taste, color, smell, ingredients, and price.
Yes.
Okay. All right. Well, let's get started. So, first up is Charlie Bigham. And okay, you get a good sized portion. There's your rice. There's the curry. It's a good sized portion, but this does cost
£7.75
from Waitrose. So, you know, it's on the more expensive side. Tou's noticed some unusual things in the ingredients. What did you find, Tou?
Put lime juice.
Lime juice? Okay. What else?
Put lime juice, put ginger.
And was there yellow curry sauce as well?
Yellow curry paste, yellow Thai paste.
So I couldn't see any red curry paste, but they've got yellow curry paste.
And they put this one.
Garlic puree, paprika, ground cumin.
Yeah.
I'll put the details up to cover Tou's face, and and I'll put it in the description as well. Okay.
Okay, then
Let's
try.
Let's try.
Yeah. Rice, long grain rice. Oh, I don't know what they put in the rice.
Yeah, the rice.
Yeah, I don't know. Yeah, the taste not too bad, but not spicy enough. And then about chicken, yeah, actually not too bad. You try.
Looks like long grain rice, huh?
Yeah, long grain.
Have they put it with coconut or?
No coconut. Just put.
It's like more like cake rice, like basmati. You know? They put like something in there, fragrant.
Yeah. Okay, you try.
Guy, okay, ba?
Okay, yeah, I have tried.
You tried the edamame as well. That was an unusual one. We saw the edamame.
Depends if you like this vegetable, you can put it. Nothing wrong.
Yeah, just a bit more unusual, but.
Not too bad, yeah.
Yeah,
but only
not spicy.
Not spicy.
But yeah, not bad at all for a ready meal.
Yeah.
Let me try a bit of chicken. And there's a good amount of chicken in there.
Yeah, the portion quite big.
Yeah,
enough for one. If you are a big eater, for me I can We have for 2 meals.
Yeah, that's edible. No, I mean, no, more than edible. I mean,
Yeah.
okay.
Yeah. Quite good.
All right. So what are we starting off with? You want to start with taste first?
Yeah.
Okay. So marks out of 5. 5 being the best.
Okay. Start with the taste. Okay. The taste I give.
no punches pulled there. When we did the green curry, I think you gave 2, 1.
1.
Yeah. All right. I think I'm gonna say I'm gonna go with 4.
Okay.
Because I thought for a ready meal, I thought that's pretty good. Okay. And then what do you want to do next? Smell?
Oh, okay.
Aroma?
Yeah, I put 3.
Get your nose in there. Give it a fair shake. Okay. So you say 3, I'm gonna say 2. You know, Asian food should be aromatic. We should smell it and instantly have a hunger, a need to eat it. It's very important. And then ingredients.
Yeah, I also keep 3 ingredients.
I'll say 4. Was you know, you've got edamame in there, which is not cheap. There's a really good amount of chicken in there, a lot of chicken, and rice. Admittedly, the rice isn't the rice you're supposed to have, but it's a good portion, and you know, I think it's 835 grams altogether. Yeah, 835 grams. So that's good. That's a good amount.
Yeah, this one. Yeah, that's why I keep 3.
Okay.
And
then price. So it was $7.75. I'll let you go first.
the price, yeah, I keep 4. Yeah, because this one curry include rice, right? We don't have to buy separate. Yeah, I give 4.
Yeah, $7.75. I mean, it's on the more expensive side. I mean, for a ready meal. Yeah. All right.
Yeah.
I'm gonna lowball this a little bit. I'm gonna say 3, just because it's on the more expensive side. You know, I'm sure there's restaurants where you could get a meal for £7, $7.95. I mean, just for us, we got chicken noodle, $7.95.
Yeah.
So, and that's cooked fresh. So,
yeah,
I'm gonna say 3. I think it's fair.
Yeah, it's fair enough. And the last one
was the color. This is Fitou's red chicken curry. And as you can see, tell us a bit about it too.
Oh yeah, of course, if you ask me to say, yeah, look very nice just for the color first. But the taste you can tell me later, or let our customer taste and give me the score. Okay. Right? I'm not the one who give the score. The customer have to give me the score.
Okay.
How they like it.
Fair enough.
Okay.
But you feeling confident?
Yes.
Because I'm going to try your curry now.
Okay, you can give me the score.
Okay.
Yeah, don't feel shy for the score
I don't
you
feel
give
shy.
me.
Alright, what did you want to say? Come on, hurry up.
Okay, about my curry, this is fresh but cannot keep long. Maximum only 2 days in the fridge because I don't put any chemical in here. I use the desiccated coconut, not coconut cream. That's why we can get the really red color.
Alright, so here I'm trying Tou's. So she's got
We got
aubergine,
bamboo shoot,
long beans,
bamboo shoot.
chicken, of course.
Oh yes, of course. Fresh chicken. Of course, fresh chicken we use.
หิวด้วย ยังไม่ได้กิน
Okay.
ข้าว Grab some rice.
Okay. After eat, give me the score right now.
ใจเย็นก็หิวข้าว Okay, taste. So for taste, I give 5 out of 5. Of course, I'm a little bit biased, but it's punchy, it's spicy. It could actually be a bit spicier, actually.
Yeah, of course.
But it's yeah. My lips are tingling, and I've got a nice. You can see my lip. Looks like I've got lipstick on. So taste, smell. Yeah, it's aromatic. It's pungent. You can smell all the herbs and spices going on, which of course, because it's it's freshly made. The ingredients as well. That's Tou. I have to rely on what Tou says she's putting in it. But I know that when she's making the curry sauces, she's making it all from scratch. So yeah, 5 for taste. Smell, I give 4. I've smelled stronger ones that she's made. You gotta remember, because she's making it from scratch, it comes out slightly different every time. So I'm being tough on her. I'm gonna give 4 for smell. Ingredients, I give 5. Price. So for Fitou, her red curry chicken and steamed jasmine rice comes in at
$9.95.
$9.95. That's right. So there's a difference between her curry and Charlie Bigham's of £2.20.
Yeah.
And the amount is actually, I'd say you get more rice with the Charlie Bigham, but I've actually put the Charlie Bigham one into a bowl, and it's actually a bit less. It's a bit less curry. So for a difference of £2.20, for me, you're better off getting a fresh one. But for convenience and keeping one in the fridge, but you can't actually, the Charlie Bigham you can't put in the freezer.
Why? Why you can't put the?
It says on it, it's not suitable for the freezer.
Okay.
Which is I mean, you could probably try, but yeah, maybe it will really affect the quality. But and with color 5. It's look at the difference in color.
Oh, the price, you not yet keep the score. The price.
The price, I'll say, that's a good point. Thank you, my assistant.
You're welcome.
For the price, I'd say 4. 4 out of 5.
Yeah, you can give me 4.
Yeah, it's a bit more expensive, but you're getting what you pay for, when you're getting a better product. So 4 out of 5 is respectable. And last but not least, with the color, you look at the difference in color with these. Yeah, look at those. Yeah, this is almost like a yellow curry. or a massaman. Whereas this looks more like a red carrot. So I give 5 out of 5. So if we ignore the fact that Tou is not voting, Tou's is the clear winner. I have to say that, otherwise she's gonna hit me around the head. But I think it was a good effort by the Charlie Bigham one. I'm curious to try some of their other. They do a lot of Indian foods and things like that.
No, I'm not good with the Indian food.
Since when?
For a long time.
What do you mean you're not good with Indian food?
I know only a few dishes in there.
Yeah, but you like Indian food.
Yeah, I like Indian food.
Yeah.
Okay, carry on. You.
Yeah, let me have a bit more. So yeah, Tou won this round. Will she make it next time? We should continue this series, pitting Tou against the best ready meals there are. You feeling confident? You won this round, but you haven't won the war.
Oh, thank you.
All right. So yeah, 2-1. Her curry came out best. Shocker. So we hope you enjoyed it. And if you'd like us to review any ready meals or comparisons, whatever, then drop us a line and we'll get back to you. And as usual, like,
subscribe,
and hit that bell.
Yeah.
We'll see you next time.
And bang that bell.
And bang that bell.
Bang that bell.
And bang that bell.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay, bye bye.
Don't bang your screen, yeah? Just because Tou tells you to, okay? Just press it normally, yeah? All right.
Okay, all right.
Thanks.
Bye
Take
bye
care.
for today.
Bye bye.